If you write any kind of keyword promotion, the depend option is called write a article. Write a article. In this article, minimum we have to maintain for the 300 words or 3000 characters. Minimum you maintain for 300 words and 3000 characters. So first you can prepare your own image. First you prepare by the own image. First you can add the image. And paste it. After that, image size will be fit is okay. Unless you can change your size also. Next thing, write your content. And copy. Paste the headline. This time versus traditional market. Now it is copy the content. Paste it. So here I'm not using any kind of links. I'm not using any kind of links. I'll give the links by your content using by your hyperlink. Which one? I'm using for hyperlink. Copy. Select it. What is it called? Link. What is the article you're posting? Any company related? You can give hashtag by using which one? By your anchor text. Why I'm not give any kind of links? Just I'm give the link on your option. Just come into your finally more info. Nothing doing. Just more info. Bold. Give the hyperlink. In article traffic will divert to where? In my website. Three advantages. Keyword will increase your website traffic. Third will increase your LinkedIn connections. Three benefits. Website traffic, keyword will, LinkedIn profile connections will be increased. And same this article will be sharing for Facebook and Twitter. The people also will be watch on your LinkedIn articles. I'll share here. Before sharing, copy this, publish, add your hashtag. It is called digital marketing and hash marketing hash online marketing. Click for publish. Publish done. You can see the keyword in your bill on your LinkedIn. See this. Customer versus register market. The share on where? LinkedIn. And after that, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share in your group. They're showing for three options. Which one? Share on Facebook, share on Twitter, and share on groups. So I'm sharing here. First to Facebook. Facebook first how to display, you can check it. Image is not there. Once again I'm clicking. First time sometime image will be not appear. That time once again close and go for your page. Paste it. In this you can share by your story and timeline and your anywhere. First time story timeline. Here one are the option is also there. After sharing LinkedIn company page, share to page to profile and the things. Here three advantages. LinkedIn connection will increase. LinkedIn connect by the Facebook page likes. Page will increase the likes will increase by groups and your timelines. Anything can follow the rules also. Only I go for page to sharing to other pages. Go for page to profile. But here I'm not using page. I'm sharing directly into the your Facebook story and timeline and your groups. Done this one. I go to page, share, post it. Not clear. Next, Twitter, log in Twitter. Now share in groups. Any group will be select and post it. And group sharing purpose. Simple. What is that? Get the link article. Before that, select Notepad. What are the content will be there? Select it. What I'm using for link the article. Go to LinkedIn profile. Post. Paste here. Coming along with post. Control and Control C. Control and Control C. What a link will be there? Delete. Why I'm always select the content along with the link. Where anyone plus Twitter. Post it. So nothing we can do. We can go individual group, nothing required. Just you can post on profile, paste it. Then what you can do for link remove. Let's go for groups, paste it and post. The simple techniques. Only we can go for the thing. There are two advantages. The profile connection will increase and the content will reach by the audience. They click by where? My website traffic. Is it clear? It's a very important on your LinkedIn article. In a Facebook article will be there. They removed the article will be sharing only for LinkedIn to Facebook and Twitter. But Twitter, how will be showing on your article? How to show your article? Two things I tell you. Facebook, how we can show the article. Twitter, how to show your article. Go to profile. Done article. Now click the article here. So where you can go for my article option. If you go for Facebook or Twitter, my article will be showing for proper image and proper article. They finally go to where? My article option. Anywhere can click this one. They're going to where? My website. So Facebook or LinkedIn profile or Twitter. The final destination is the my website traffic. My article to where? Reach for destination will be my website traffic. So coming to this, anything you can share by here or the article page. In a data article, we can share by your timeline, groups or pages, anything will be accept. That easily you can access by the one LinkedIn article post for anywhere, automatically generate the traffic and everything. So one LinkedIn login to all article will be showing the promote by all keywords. No need to worry about the keyword promotion. The final one, anything coming to LinkedIn article, they're going to where? Your website. This is the main purpose of keyword building purpose. Other main purpose, keyword building purpose. Here you can promote your services and your area posting, anything will be accept. But sharing is mandatory field. The share will be linked to Facebook page to profile, your story, timeline, other pages and groups. Linked into Twitter, one stop. Any other LinkedIn will be to Twitter is there, shared by other Twitter. You can log in for same browser. How many pages you have? Select all pages and post it. Link will be not mandatory. Click for post to Facebook. You can share for individual person and the group chat and your pages and groups. This is called reach your article on particular LinkedIn. After posting article, how to check the article views? How to check the article views? That is called go to LinkedIn profile. Click option is called post and activity. Post and activity. In this, go for articles. Each article views they give the below option. How many people are watching right now? 6 views, 12 views, 8 views, 6 views, 7 views, 9 views. This is a very rare update I'm posting. That the reason is they're taking for long time. So regular update will be very important like this. 35 views, 6 views, 14 views, 5 views, 3 views, 2 views, 41. Why? Is a question and the answers. So relevant information definitely the people watch and get the things. 4 views, 9, 8 views, 6, 60, 18, 5. It's clear. Any article you can post on particular LinkedIn. The professional you can maintain. Don't posting for any kind of movie related articles. People are article with posting is can post a movie also. We not promote any movie reviews everything. So go into your movie, promote officially in your LinkedIn article. Don't share by any Facebook or anything. But LinkedIn mostly professional purpose, not for movie entertainment purpose. Is it clear? There is a mandatory field to understanding for will promote your business. But what are the article you are posting? Definitely shared by the Facebook groups and pages and your profile and your friends timeline and your timeline of option. Is a mandatory field. Your friends timeline, select the 10%, which is I'm setting for regularly. With the new content, share the 10 friends. Target the 10 friends, you can share the news. They will be reach their friends also.